What's up guys and welcome back to my workshop. In the previous episode you saw the reassemble of the engine and today I will show you the rebuilding of the front axle. The bushes and the wheel bearings will be changed and after that you will see the reassemble of the steering box already been restored and perfectly working. These are the pieces of the front kingpin with the stub, the two bushes, the thrust ball bearings and at the end the axle. I start by mounting back the bushes and the ball bearings and finally the stub. The bearing is in two pieces. The touring is different. One is easy to slide in with a little bit bigger inner diameter and the second one is precise on the shaft. The tight one is the first I mount.
A few moments later.
Now that is all in place, I only need to put some grease on it. And now I can mount everything on the axle. I only need to do the same thing for the other side and then move to the tractor. I can now put it back in the Lamborghinetta. With an help of an hammer and some brutal force, they slide in and now it's time for the 3 nuts and bolts and fix them. It's now the moment of the hub with the 2 new bearings. One, two, and now is the moment of the seal with just a little bit of lubricant. And now it is sliding. Now that the front axle is back in place, I move on the steering box. I still waiting the two heat gasket, but when they will arrive the tractor will be ready for sandblasting. Here there are all the pieces of the steering box. The two new bushes, the two gears, and to remount it I start from the bushes. A little bit of grease, maybe more than a little bit. And at the end it has to be mounted on the tractor. New, rebuilt it. Now that also the steering is back in place, I could be very satisfied about all the job done. I hope you liked the episode and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode. Ciao!